Hello everyone, welcome back to Techwiden. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, that is AWS Session Manager. So in AWS Session Manager is a kind of a powerful tool that actually simplifies our system management and enhance the security of remote access to our instances in the AWS cloud. So previously for this we were using the traditional SSH or RDP protocol to access our instances. Although we can do it today, but with Session Manager, we can now access our instances using just a web browser and making it easier and more secure than ever before. So instead of using public IP addresses and managing our SSH keys, Session Manager utilizes an agent on our instances to establish a secure connection between our instance and the management console. Not only it improved our security, but also provided an encrypted communication and support cross-platform as well. It means it supports both Windows and Linux instances and provide a unified management experience. So let's have an example. Like as we see in the software development company, many software engineers and developers are there, and they often need to access the EC2 instances, posting their application for troubleshooting, debugging, and making updates. So in the past, they used to connect to these instances using our traditional access connection, which required managing SSH keys and exposing SSH ports as well. So this approach posed security risk, right? And was difficult to manage, and especially when team members rotated or left the organization. So that's why any organization implemented Session Manager to simplify and secure or remote access to their EC2 instances. But for it, we have to provide an IAM access to the instances and installing the SSM agent. So let's go to our AWS console, type the System Manager into the search bar, click on the System Manager. Into the left side menu of System Manager, we have our option of Session Manager. So click on it and it will open a new dashboard of Session Manager. So for a learning point of view, we can go through the documentation part, how it works and why do we use the Session Manager. Now let's start our session. So currently we have 3 instances which is running on my AWS cloud platform in Mumbai region. We have already provided the necessary IAM permission to all the instances. You can just follow our previous video to see how to provide the SSM permission to instances. So on any of them, we can start our session. Let me select instance 1 and click on Start Session. So there is a session ID and our instance ID and a clickable button of Terminate. So type echo hello Techwiden. Okay, let me put ls command. So it worked perfectly. Let me try one more command to be a sudo user. That's it. Now I am working as a root user. Can I install any package over there? So let me put install httpd-y. Okay, so it is already installed. Press Ctrl R for clear the screen. So it worked perfectly. Let's go to our System Manager. Click on Preferences and some parameters which can be edited. So first one is like General Preferences, and the idle session timeout is 20 minutes. So it will be automatically turned off after the 20 minutes, and we can include the KMS encryption keys. If we want any type of a metrics data, so we can include into the CloudWatch logging. So first of all, we have to create a log group, and the similar for the S3 logging. So our session console work in a smooth way. Put a command of a LALRT for a detailed list. The best practice to using the Session Manager is to first of all disable all the SSH and RDP protocol, so that only we can access through the Session Manager. So that's it for today. It's quite a very short tutorial, but a very important one. I hope it will be very helpful to you, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you.